Hello friends and welcome back to the Reclusion channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACMS a 27-inch WQHD gaming monitor. So friend, the ASUS has introduced a 27-inch gaming monitor is powered by WQHD resolution and providing you with sharp detailed visual and that perfect for any gaming setup, and the IPS panel ensure you are getting vibrant colors and excellent clarity, while the 320Hz refresh rate and zero point 0.3 millisecond response time, a super smooth gaming experience with virtually no motion blur. And for those who want even smoother tear-free experience, and this monitor support both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium, so you can sync it up with your graphics card to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. And ASUS also throw in a bunch of AI-powered features for enhanced gameplay like ROG Gaming AI, which change the crosshair color based on your game's background and making aiming more precise. Plus, dynamic shadow boost helps the spot enemy hiding the dark corners, and extreme low motion blur sync reduce motion blur, making fast action even more clear. And the connectivity ports including DisplayPort 1.4 to HDMI 2.1 and USB Type-C connection, and there is also headphone jack for audio needs. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.